Hey guys, how's it going? Alex here with Big Money Theory. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about 3 penny stocks that are going up right now as we speak. These stocks are going up anywhere from 150 to 350% just within half of the trading day. So you would still have a chance to jump in if you want to. But just a reminder, this video is done just for entertainment purposes only. So make sure you do your own due diligence. Now let's dive right into the stocks. The first stock we're going to be talking to you about today is Pharmaceuticals, ticker IMNPQ. This is a small market cap company with just $5 million market cap. Pharmaceuticals Inc., a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, engages in development of various therapeutic agents for the treatment of immunology and inflammatory diseases. And it's already in phase 2 clinical trials. We can see this company went as much as 1,300% within 1 month. 3 months is 2,120%, and 52 weeks, which is 1 year, is 11,000%, which is outstanding. So how's the company doing right now? We can see that today the company went up as much as 156%. Oh, it's now is 163%. We can see that on the 5-day trend, this company was actually slowly gaining momentum, and now it's going up like crazy. If we look at the 6-month chart, we can see that again that the company was slowly going up and up and up. Then we had a sell-off in middle of February, it dipped down, and now continuing the uptrend. Next company we're going to be talking to you about is PTA Holdings Inc., ticker PTAH. This is a micro-cap company. The market cap of this company is only $640,000. PTAH Holdings Inc., through its subsidiaries, offers logistics and transportation services. The company offers logistics solutions such as LTL and truckload, intermodal, rail, warehousing and distribution, equipment leasing, brokerage, and 3PL and special products. It also operates a fleet of refrigerated trailers that holds eggs, fresh and frozen products, and fresh produce for egg producers. This company on 1 month, 3 month, and 1 year chart gained only 100%. But as we're gonna see on the chart, this company gained only 100% not because that's the maximum it reached over its lifetime. So here we can see on 5-day trend that it's doing a barcode, it's kind of going up right now. But if you look at the 6-month chart, we can see that this company was going up since November, and then it peaked, and then it dropped down when the sell-off started, and then it had another drop down in middle of March, and now it seems like it's slowly going up. So it is possible that it might go up significantly higher than it is right now. We can see that the highest price point for this company was 0.0018, which is significantly larger number than it is right now. But before we dive into the next video, smash that like button. I would truly appreciate that. That will help YouTube algorithm to promote this video and help me reach more people. And while you're down there smashing that like button, consider smashing the subscribe button as well. That way you'll never miss another episode of Hot Penny Stocks or me diving deep into the stocks. Now let's get into the last company. So the last company for today is RBDC.com, ticker RBDC. This is a small market cap with only $7 million market cap. This company operates as a financial information technology and marketing company, involved in facilitating acquisitions, commercialization, and promotions for technology companies, which are underdeveloped and have distressed patented and proprietary technologies. The company, through its subsidiary GLA International Inc., also operates as a direct sales company that offers healthy energy drinks, alkaline water systems, and superfoods, which is also something to be considered. Now, how's this company performing? 1 month is 330%, 3 months 550%, and 52 weeks is 1,200%, which is also pretty good for penny stocks. We can see on the 5-day chart that this company was going flat and then it bumped up, and now it's kind of slowly selling off, and people are taking their profits throughout the day. But if we look at the 6-month chart, we can see that this company already had its peak in middle of February. That's when the sell-off started, and it dipped down heavily and it flattened out, and now it's going back. So now it's just reached its all-time highs that it had before. So it is a possibility that this company is going to continue its growth, though maybe I'll wait and not jump in today, because a lot of people at this particular moment are locking their profits. And that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your time. Just a friendly reminder, this video was done for entertainment purposes only. You have to do your own due diligence before you purchase any of the stocks I mentioned in this video. Second thing, those are penny stocks, so they are high risk but high reward. So there's a possibility that you're gonna make a lot of money. You know, some of those stocks went up as much as 300% throughout the day. But there's also a possibility that this stock's gonna drop down heavily, and you can lose up to 50% within just one trading day. And again, So please be cautious, be careful. And the most important thing I want to remind you, you guys smash that like button. I had to do this. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it, and have a good trading week.